Wow, I'm really washed out. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be a little bit more of a vlog style video, even though I'm sitting down. My setup was already here because I filmed this makeup look earlier, so I just decided to stick you on the tripod and give you an intro to this video. Hello, first of all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Corie and we do a little bit of everything here on my channel. We do lifestyle, beauty, and a little bit of teaching because I am a teacher. So today I wanted to take you guys along on a journey with me. My office is a disaster area. It needs to be cleaned. So I need to wash makeup brushes, I need to pick up everything, I need to give it a good wipe down, need to take some garbage out, and just clean up, like, cue like the screaming audio there. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below letting me know how you enjoyed this video, any questions you might have, and also please give me some ideas for videos that you guys want to see. I want to do things on my channel that you guys would like. So any beauty videos, lifestyle vlogs, anything that you guys would like to see on my channel, please leave that down below as well. But other than that, let's get started. So first of all, I want to give you guys a little bit of an overview of what we're working with. Here is the entrance to my office, and then right behind here is the closet, which is not too bad. Then there's this situation. There's garbage in the corner, these plants, which are the culprit for bringing fungus gnats into my house, hence the fly tape. These plants I think I'm going to move over. This table is like all of my nail stuff, which I think I'm actually just gonna tuck into that corner right there. The real nasty beast, this table. We have nail stuff, we've got boxes, we've got Christmas gifts, we have decorations for the house, we've got garbage. Moving on over here, we have more garbage, more nail stuff, and then over here we have my filming setup, which I just kind of need to clean up from filming today. And this middle drawer currently won't open, so I need to clean everything off the top of the desk and shake the whole desk to see if I can get some stuff to move so that I can get to my eyeshadow palettes. So I need to clean that chair, and then here I have this bookshelf, which I just need to organize a little bit better. I want to move the printer to the bottom shelf, have the books on the second shelf, and you know, just kind of organize this to be a little bit more pleasant. I think I'm going to start over here and try to clean up this area. What's going on, babe?
Fix it.
That one? Why is it not opening?
Because there's a makeup palette blocking it.
Oh yeah. How did this even happen?
I closed it and then I couldn't open it again.
That is what I wanted it to. Okay, babe, let's not do that again. I scratched up your makeup a little bit and I'm sorry.
You got it open up?
All of a sudden, I'm in the middle of a call with just hearing. See, I kind of scratched it up a little bit. I'm sorry.
I don't care. Thank you for helping. I just took a break for lunch. My husband was able to get this drawer unstuck. And I think that it was a sign that I have too many eyeshadow palettes. So we are going to try and narrow it down.
finished, but that did not take nearly as much time or energy as I thought it would. It actually went pretty fast. So I'm gonna give you guys an overview now that it's finished. So you guys kind of saw while Trevor was trying to fix my drawer, I was working on this. It's still not perfect. It's a lot better. So I moved the printer to the bottom shelf, miscellaneous tech items and books that I've already read, books I still have to read, dirty brushes that I still need to wash, all my hair tools, and journals, and then the top is pretty much blank. This is the garbage that's going to be taken out right now. This is the wicker chair that used to be in my living room. It has since moved into my office, obviously. Filming light that's on, and my vanity. And then over in this corner, I moved the plants over here, and that's because that spot right there gets direct sunlight in the mornings. We have the black table. This is kind of my work table that I use when I'm sewing. So I cleaned that off. These are items that need to be hung up on the walls that just haven't been yet. Art supplies, and then some hair products there, and then the monitor that I use as my viewfinder when I'm filming. Moved that little table that holds all my nail stuff over to that corner. And then we have the closet, which let me show you. That TV that you guys saw just went into the closet there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this clean with me. Hopefully it gave you a little bit of motivation. I love watching clean with me videos, and it always makes me want to reorganize my entire house. So hopefully it did that for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see from me on my channel. And also don't forget to go follow me on Instagram at corie.mac, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye guys.